There's the question paper is from Michigan State University, Department of Accounting and Science, Accounting Sciences. So I think I last did accounting when I was in Form 4. So if there are any accounts people there, please just know I'm into computers, I'm into AI, I'm not really into accounting. If there are any corrections, please, you can always use the chat box to correct me because I have no idea about accounting, but I'm going to demonstrate this, taking advantage of AI to sort of get an understanding and be able to write an assignment. So I chose this question today, which is question number 2, 20 marks with IAS investments in associates and joint venture set out the instance which significant influence normally exists. You are required to state these instances. Okay, I don't know what that is. So let me just go to body. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. This is not okay. Let's just pretend you're not seeing that right now. So guys, when you're using this thing, please just make sure that you already know the area you're studying. That's one thing which is very important. Don't try to use this. Don't try to use body on a topic you don't know. It's very important for you, if you're going to apply body, apply it in a topic that you are really quite familiar with. But for me, yeah, I have to demonstrate how this actually works. I have figured something that I don't really understand myself. But when you're doing your assignment, make sure if you first have to read, you first have to do your research, and body will just come and polish up your research, put your points in order. You're supposed to use body that way. If you use body to sort of write the assignment for you, you realize that body can also make mistakes, and body can also write things which don't really make sense. So it's very important for you to first understand what you are trying to do. Let me just be clear. Yeah. So first, let me just create a new chart. So I'm just going to say, hey, body. Personally, I feel like when you're using body, I try by all means to make it look like a conversation between two people. I know it's weird in every sense, but it makes it easy to sort of treat body as my group partner, as my studying partner. That way I get to put up my thoughts to body, and body can also respond in a way that I actually understand. So when you're using these technologies, especially this technology, if you're using ChatGPT, try by all means sort of you have a conversation with it. Don't do it the way you do your Google search, because if you do it, you start realizing that body will say, I can't understand. I don't understand what you're saying. I was not programmed to do this and that. So every time you are doing your assignment or you're doing anything with body, try to sort of make it a conversation. So obviously every conversation you start by greeting, hi body. Then there you can see body is actually asking me what you can help. So I went and sort of broke down the whole question into small prompts. So the first thing is we want body to understand, to have a background of what we are doing. So body knows a lot of things. He knows a lot of things. They're not in sort of in any order. So you need to build momentum with body. So usually for this one, I've chose to ask body what's AS28? So let's see what body is going to say. Yeah, you see what just happened? Body just, hello?
Sorry for just like intruding your presentation. May you kindly share the website you're talking about, because we can only see the question paper currently.
Oh, sorry. Can't you see the website that I'm sharing?
No,
Okay.
unfortunately, you can only see the question paper, not the website you're talking about, your friend.
All right, okay. Let me try and, yeah, I just realized I made a mistake when I was sharing. Sorry about that. You can now see the badge, right? Hello?
Yes, thank you very much. You can see it now.
Sorry about that. I didn't change the settings when I switched to Chrome.
It's okay, sir. Thank you very much. You can proceed.
Yeah, thank you. So I actually asked this to Buddy, and Buddy said, I'm not programmed to assist you with that. So Buddy cannot answer this question because one, he doesn't know where this is coming from, sort of just popping out of nowhere. So in that case, we need to give Buddy some more information to start and sort of understand where this is coming from. So instead, I'm going to do this. I'm going to give another prompt, which say, Buddy, what is the significance influence under IS 28? So from the people who know accounting, they're probably starting to realize they're starting to have an idea what I'm talking about. Obviously, myself don't really have that much of an idea. But now Buddy is sort of going to try and link significant influence under IS 28. Yeah, now there it goes. It's now read. Let me not read it for you. Let me Buddy do it for you.
Significant influence is the power to participate in the financial and operating policy decisions of an investee, but not control or jointly control those policies. It is a concept used in accounting under IAS 28, investments in associates and joint ventures. There are a number of factors that may indicate that an investor.
So now Buddy, if I ask Buddy again this question that I asked before, if I re-ask this question again, now Buddy will try to give me an answer. Let's just see if Buddy is going to be helpful. Oh, he didn't.